Hi, my name is Juan Carlos Piñeros and this is Komposair, a web app that lets musicians create melodies based on their motifs using artificial intelligence. This is my final project for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. You can visit Komposair at komposair.com. When you go to the page, you can enter your motif. I'm going to enter a very simple one, for the sake of demonstration. Let's see. Now let's use A minor, maybe dotted, and I don't know, maybe let's add it like that, something like that. I can generate a melody. Other than that, I could undo the last note I entered. I could enter it again. I could speed up the tempo of the melody. I could also change the models. There are the magenta models. I have two magenta models in here. The basic one and melody are an N. And the custom model is a model that I created and I'm going to add up more models. If you want to send me a model, you can click here and send me the model so I can upload it also here. When the melody is ready, I can hear the melodies. I could download the melodies. If I don't have any idea, I could erase and just, click on generate, and it's going to generate a melody, and the motif is going to be C4 quarter note. When the melody is ready, I could open, I already download one, so I could hear them, for instance, in MuseScore or any music editor. So I can change it. I can add harmony. I could work with the melody. Other than that, I could save a melody. For instance, these were generated just without a motif, so I could save them, and they are going to be in my profile. I could go to my profile, my melodies, and these are all the melodies that I have saved in my profile. These are the melodies. I use here Eternal Scroll as taught by Professor Brian Yu in class. I could hear the melodies. There's more information, for instance, the tempo, the date was created, and also the votes that it has received. I could outvote a melody. This one not, because it's already voted. I could filter out. So for instance, if I want to see the last melodies that I created, I could filter that by date. So this is the one that we just created, or the last. If I don't want a melody, I could just erase them by clicking here, and it also uses the technique taught in class. These are handlebars. I could visit all the melodies that have been generated by the community. I can upvote them, download them, see more information about the melody, and I can comment the melody. For instance, these are comments made by users. These are just test comments because I'm the only one that is using, and I could log out. I could, of course, log in again. I could create if I don't have an account, I could create an account. Or if I have an account, there are some other functionalities that I would like to show you. Let's enter into my main account, and I could see my profile here. And in my profile, I can change information, my picture. I could also feel lucky just to get a random melody. And I could, here is the information about how Komposair was created. Here are the acknowledgement page where I, acknowledge all the code and libraries and courses that I used to create Komposair. And there's a contact form that I could, so if someone wants to get in contact with me, there's a contact form that I can send. It's already live, the site, and it's when I going to receive here the test message. Thank you very much. There are some other features that I didn't have the time to show in these 5 minutes presentations. I hope you like Komposair, and any feedback would highly appreciate.